Good morning, everyone. It's a foggy day. Guten Morgen in German, Shurprabhat in India. Buenos dias in Mexico, Colombia. Bonjour, Quebec and France. Of course, our very own magandang umaga. Of course, here in Canada, my friends and family and friends, good morning. Have a great weekend to everyone. God bless. Bye bye.